Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 7.6 from fifth problem. You can take page number 161 in your NCERT textbook. And this problem is fully based upon the addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. So you should recall the things what we have learnt in our previous classes. Okay? I hope you all have taken page number 161, children. Fifth problem, you can write it in your textbook. Okay. I'm going to start with B problem. A problem is your homework because it's very easy because they have same denominators. So it will be very easy for you to do the calculations when it is a same denominators, right? B problem is we are going to add and subtract, but the thing is we have different denominators, so we have to take LCM and then we have to proceed it. Okay, so first see, in this box we have to fill these 5 places. Okay, this place, this one, this one, this one, this one, all these 5 things we have to fill it. Addition and subtraction box. Addition means what? If I add these two, in the arrow mark which is given is addition here, towards this side the arrow mark is addition. So I should add these two values and write the answer here. I should add these two values, I should get the answer here. Likewise, I will get one answer here, right? These two. If I add those two, I should get the answer here. The same way, here the downwards it is given subtraction, which means if I subtract 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, I should get the answer here. 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, I should get the answer here. Likewise, these two answers, if I subtract, I should get the answer here. Okay, this is what your task now. Okay, now what is the first question? First, I'll do this, okay, which will be very easy. Addition, first we'll do. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are different. So, LCM of 2, 3 is what? 6. So, I just want to convert this 6 means 2 3s are 6. So, 1 3s are. So, here 3 2s are 6. So, 1 2s are. I have written directly, children, because it's like fill in the blanks, right? So, don't want to do every steps, okay? So, if I want to convert this 1 by, you can do. If you have a space in your textbook, you can do it in your, you can do step by step, okay? So, it will be very much easy for you. 1 by 2, I want to convert it into denominator 6. So, 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3 plus. I want to convert this as denominator 6. So, 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. So, now both are same. 6 3 plus 2. Yes, 3 plus 2 is what? 5 divided by 6. So, what is the answer if I add 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? I am getting 5 by 6. Yes. Next. Now, I am going to add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Is this denominators are same? No. So, what we should do? We should take LCM of 3, 4. LCM of 3, 4 is 12. In previous classes all we have discussed. If you want, you can do this LCM and see. LCM of 3 by 4 is 12. So, if you want to make this denominator 12, 3 4s are 12. Apo 1 4s are 4. If you want to make this denominator as 12, 4 3s are. So, 1 3s are. So, 1 4s are 4 divided by 4 3s are 12 plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 4 3s are 12. Now, is this denominators are same? Yes. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7 by 12. So, what is the answer here? 7 by 12. Now, addition over. Next, what we should do, children? We should do the subtraction. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. This is not 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, you will get the answer here. 2 and 3, LCM is what? 6. So, 2 3s are 6. So, 1 3s are 3. But 3 by 6 minus 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. So, now we have same denominator as 6. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6. So answer is what? 1 by 6. Next, now 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. This also we have different denominators. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. Appo 3 4s are 12. So 1 4s are 4 minus 4 3s are 12. 1 3s are 3. Now both the denominators are same. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 12. So 1 by 12 is your subtracted value. Okay. Now if you want to find this, either you can add these two and find it, or you can subtract these two. Anything is possible, because if I subtract these two, I'll get the answer here. If I add these two, I will get the answer here. Both will be same. So shall we try it and see in both the ways? Yes. Now 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. I am going to do 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. 6 को 12 को LCM 12. So 6 2s are 12. So 5 2s are 10. 10 by 12. Minus, this is already in 12. So 12 ones are 12. 7 ones are 7. So 10 minus 7 divided by 12. 10 minus 7 is what? 3 by 12. Okay, 3 by 12 is your answer. Okay, which I got here is 3 by 12. Or you can write 1 by 4. You can either write it like that, no problem. So 3 by 12. We can check it and see whether if you add these two, the same answer you are getting or not. Okay. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Is it correct? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. The same 12. Appa 6 2s are 12. 1 2s are 2. Appa 2 by 12. Plus 12 ones are 12. 1 ones are 1. Now 12 same. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 by 12. Yes, we got 3 by 12. So if you add, subtract these two, you will get 3 by 12. If I add these two, 3 by 12. So both the answers are correct. Likewise, you should fill in this boxes. You can write the steps in your textbook. Okay, children. Next is your sixth problem. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long. Okay, one small piece of wire is there, children. That is this 7 by 8 meter long. Okay, one small piece of wire is 7 by 8 meter long. That is broken into two pieces. Okay, we are cutting that into two pieces. One piece is 1 by 4 meter. Find the other. How long is the other? So this one you should find it. Okay, see, one long piece of wire is 7 by 8 meter. One small piece is 7 by 4. So if you subtract from this total, this value, you will get this remaining piece of that wire. Yes, if you subtract, you will get right. So now we are going to write the solution. Total length of the wire. Total length of the wire is how much? 7 by 8 meter. In that, length of one piece is 1 by 4 meter. Yes. Length of other piece of wire is, how you will find the other piece of wire? 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Yes, this is the total length of the wire. In that, length of one piece of wire is 1 by 4 meter. Length of other piece of wire is 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Both have different denominators. So what you will do? LCM of 8, 4. Into table, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then 2 table. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is the LCM you are getting? 8. I want to convert this 7 by 8 as denominator 8. So 8 1s are 8, 7 1s are 7. 1 by 4 is denominator 8. So 4 2s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Okay, now I am going to write instead of 7 by 8 is 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 8. Here both the denominators are same. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. 5 by 8 meter. So what is the length of the other piece of wire is 5 by 8 meter. Understood? Next is your 7th problem. The question is, Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. Okay, this is her house. Okay, this is her school. Okay, what is Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. Okay, she walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Actually, she is walking till this, and from here she is taking a bus, which is nothing but half kilometer. Okay, see, from home she is walking few distance, then from here she is taking a bus to reach the school. That distance is 1 by 2 kilometer. How far did she walk? So we have to find this distance. We have to find this distance. How you will find? This is the total length of the distance from the school to home to school. Okay, in that if you subtract this bus distance, you will get this walking distance, right? So this is very easy. Distance from Nandini's house to school. Okay, distance from Nandini's house to school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Yes, distance covered by bus. Distance covered by bus is how much? 1 by 2 kilometer. Yes, okay. Distance covered by walking, that we should find it, right? How you will find? Distance covered by walking is, how you will find, children? From the total distance from the house to school minus this bus distance. Yes, if you subtract this bus distance, you will obviously get the distance covered by walking. Whether our denominators are same? No. So LCM of 10, 2. What is the LCM of 10, 2? 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Then fifth table. 5 1s are 5. That's all. 2 into 5 is 10. So what is their LCM value? 10. Okay. Now I should convert it into the denominators. 9 by 10 as denominator 10. So into 1 into 1. Next, 1 by 2 I want to convert it into denominator 10. 2 5s are 10. So 1 5s are 5. So instead of 9 by 10 I am writing 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 as 5 by 10. Both the denominators are same. I wrote 10 as such. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 4 by 10. Or you can write 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2 by 5 kilometer. So for 2 by 5 kilometer, she is walking. Okay, understood? First we know the distance from house to school. Then she has walking for few distance. Then from there she is taking a bus and going to school. Bus distance is 1 by 2 kilometer. So from this total length, if I subtract this bus, I will get the walking kilometer, which is nothing but 2 by 5 kilometer. Don't forget to put the kilometer. Understood? Next is your 8th problem. Okay. Asha and Samuel have bookshelf of the same size, partially filled with books. Okay. Listen, Asha is having a bookshelf and Samuel is also having a bookshelf. Both are same size. Both are in same size. Okay. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6th full. Okay. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6th full. Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Okay. The diagram will be different, but I'm just saying. Okay. Whose bookshelf is more books? Okay, more full. Okay. In this, whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? So we have to compare these two fractions and we have to check which fraction is larger. Then that person will have more filled books in that bookshelf. Okay. First, we should compare both the fractions, right? Only then we can find which is greater. Then we can judge whose bookshelf is more full. Okay. Now solution. Fraction of books filled in Asha's bookshelf. Okay, fraction of books filled in Asha's bookshelf. How much fraction it is filled? 5 by 6. Okay, next, fraction of books filled in Samuel's shelf. How much fraction of books filled in Samuel's shelf? 2 by 5. Okay. Now what you should find? We should compare 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. Yes. Only then you will get whose bookshelf is more full. Whether our denominators are same? No. So LCM of 6, 5. LCM of 6, 5 we have to do it. In 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 5 as such down. Then third table, 3 1s are 3, 5 as such down. 5 1s are 5. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So what is their LCM? 30. So 5 by 6. I want to convert it as 30. 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25. Yes. Then 2 by 5. I want to convert it to 30. Okay. 5 6 are 30. So 6 2s are 12. So instead of 5 by 6, I got 25 by 30. Then instead of 2 by 5, I got 12 by 30. In this, which is greater? 25 by 30 is greater. So obviously, we can say, so from this what we can say? 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. Yes? Because 25 by 30 is nothing but 5 by 6, right? 25 by 30 is nothing but 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. So whose bookshelf is more now? Asha's bookshelf is more. Okay, Asha's bookshelf is more. Now we got first answer. The next answer question is by what fraction? By what fraction we are saying that Asha's bookshelf is more? So if you subtract these two, we will find that extra thing, right? How many books, extra books are kept in that Asha's shelf? So we have to subtract Asha's minus 2 by 5. Asha's minus Samuel, if you do, you will get by what fraction we are saying that Asha's bookshelf is more. 5 by 6 is nothing but 25 by 30. Because if you are doing the subtraction, I want my denominator same. So already we have taken LCM, then we don't want to take it next time. 5 by 6 can be written as 25 by 30 minus 2 by 5 can be written as 12 by 30. So denominator is same. So 30, 25 minus 12. So 25 minus 12 is what? 13 divided by 30. 13 divided by 30 is a fraction by which we are saying that Asha's bookshelf is more. Okay, so this is very much important, children. So first we have compared both, because they are asking whose bookshelf is more. So obviously we are in need of comparing. So we have compared these two fractions, and I found that Asha's bookshelf is more, and by what fraction they said. So I have subtracted these two, and I found that 13 minus 30 is a fraction which denoting that Asha's bookshelf is more. Then ninth problem is a homework. In that they gave ninth problem. You can check your ninth problem, children, first. Jaydev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Okay. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time? How you will say who takes less time? You can say by comparing. And by what fraction? Na? You will subtract those two fractions to find how much fraction difference is there. Okay, understood? Today's class we have discussed few word problems related to addition, subtraction of fractions. I have given few problems as homework, and this is your last exercise of the chapter, fractions. So what you're doing is you can recall from the first exercise, so you'll get more clear idea about the fractions once more. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.